pumunta kasi naka-check-in na kami online. Tara. Ito, pagdating mo dito, kailangan mo makita yung boarding pass. At saka, lamon white tea.
Hello. Try na kayo guys. Bye-bye.
Pero baka naman yun.
Ano ako number ko?
Ano yung dalawa? Wala. Wow. Ang galing.
Uy, parang pang malaki lang po. Malaki pang bata. Puro pang malaki to. Ano ba? Wala nakitang bata. Ano? Easy lang.
Ay, naku. Yung dalawa.
Ganda ko naman. Thank you, Lord. Yes, Lord. Ito, ay, dito paano mo? Ito, the queen of eggs. And also the queen of eggs. Oh.
Tayo nga lang eh. Parang magpipedal na. Parang gugulong. Tayo nga lang, parang gugulong na tayo. Ay, nagaging ka na tanda. Hi kayo lahat, hi! Okay, pag-ikot ng video kayo. Outside! Okay. Okay, dalawa kang minit. Ayan. Okay, tingin. Tayo na.
Dala kayo dali. AC dito.
Anong pangalan na?
AC, dala na kayo tita. Wow. Game. So, sumusunod pala ako dapat. Kasi umiikot po siya. Suntokin na kita. Uy, nahilo na ako oh. Ganon like that. So now this is the lobby. Wow naman, Mama. What is that?
Yung bata ba? May bayan? 4-year-old?
Mama, can we go now? Can we go now? Okay, let's go. So it's English to see if I'm fluent or not. Well, guys, there's 3 swimming pools. It's divided into 3 parts. 3 parts? It's like Mingo, bro. Yes, bro. Wait a minute, shower tayo. It's the infinity pool. Infinity pool. I see, no. Shower pa. So actually, this is kind of cool because that is the shower head, and this. Yes, okay, never mind. This is going to shower. Mama, paano natin magagawa ng sisi natin bagong tiny hut? May ganun ba? Doon sa beach. May ganun din?
Dito yun.
So we had a lot of transitions in mind before we go to Boracay, but now it feels like blank. So we just researched in Facebook and TikTok and copy them. Yeah. That's how the air in Boracay is so strong. Look at that. It's airbender. It's waterbender. The air waterbender. Yes.
Oh, ayan.
Today, we're now here.
Oh, may gulay. Malamig ang tubig dyan. Malalim yata dyan. Ah, binaw. Malalim. Dito na mo. Tanawa ka naman eh. Dali mo na.
Dali ko. Tignan mo yung kaya ko. Wait lang.
Apakaginaw pala rito eh. Doon tayo.
Eh, malamang. You went to the jacuzzi first. That's why.
Madalis pa doon. Okay, pantay. Pantay sa pantay.
Wala, mama. Yeah. Uy, may mga ibon, no? My mother there. Swimming with the birds. Oh my God. Guys, oh! Thank you, Lord. Don't forget to take the boat if they go. Ha? Yoko nga! Baka mahulog ko to! Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know what to do. Ah. This is our new room. It's the second day in Boracay, and we're going to stay here. But I'm not going to be with my sister and my parents. I'm going to be... Huh?